Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to unlink your PS5 account from Roblox. So first you need to open your browser, then you log into your account. After you do that, on the top right corner you will see this gear icon, you click on that, then you choose settings. In the settings you will see this left section, you are going to click on security and you are going to scroll down until you see where you're logged in. And here for me I just unlinked my account, but for you will find it here. You are linked, for example, to your PS5 or your PS4, and you will see the button to unlink. You click on that, or disconnect, you click on that, and just like this you can log out from there, or simply you can use this one to log out from all the other sessions and log in again with your specific device that you want. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.